We've been talking about it since last year, the burnout being felt by our healthcare workers all across the country. Nurses in K through 12 schools, they're no exception, but help could be on the way as health experts are set to consider whether to approve the COVID vaccine for kids 5 to 11 years old. Mara Siriani explains what local districts are doing to support school nurses.
When a student isn't feeling well, often a school nurse is the first person they see. And just like last year, school nurses are taking on more responsibility, like tracking COVID exposure, reporting cases, and isolating students.
It's really one of the greatest challenges and where our district nurses have played a large role.
In Gwinnett County Public Schools, lead nurse Jennifer Poole Ross says GCPS nurses and healthcare workers aren't taking any chances when it comes to a child with potential COVID symptoms.
Because, of course, during a pandemic, we still have colds and we still have allergies and we still have all those things going on.
GCPS has 15 registered nurses who supervise staff in school clinics, and currently they have some openings.
We are always looking for substitutes for our school clinic, as well as anybody who would be interested in the very rewarding job of being a school clinic worker.
In Cobb County, district leaders are offering a temporary pay increase of $4 an hour for all substitute nurses and supply nurses. Atlanta Public Schools has 51 school nurses with 18 vacancies. Districts working to fill those positions as some school nurses retire or resign, a profession that faced staffing problems even before the pandemic.
There's a nursing shortage all over.
We first talked to Amy Westmoreland last summer about her decision to leave her job as a school nurse in Paulding County due to COVID concerns. According to the school-aged COVID-19 surveillance report, the 14-day case rate in Paulding County is barely below the statewide average and is listed as increasing.
Looking back now, I hate to call it a full circle moment because usually those are positive things, but I knew that this was going to get worse.
Westmoreland says right now school nurses across the country need support.
They're caught between parents, they're caught between politics.
Family choice! K through 12 nurses on the front lines inside schools as districts navigate mask and vaccine mandates.
At the end of the day, we all have the same goal. We want to protect our students. We want our students to be in-person learning.
Coming